Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I am back with another video on how you can log in into your mobile banking account of POSB. So first of all, open up your Play Store. Once you're in this page, tap on the search tool which is right on top, and after that type in POSB. So first of all, you'll have to install this application in order to log in into your mobile banking account. So then tap on install. After it is installed, tap on open. Once you open up your application, on the other interface you have sign up or login. In case you don't have a mobile banking account, then you'll have to tap on sign up for Desi Bank. Since our video is based on how to log in, so then tap on login. So in order to log in, you'll have to use your user ID and a PIN, and after that, once you're done entering, tap on login. In case you're not able to log in because of your incorrect user ID or your PIN, you can see in the bottom left corner there's an option as forgot user ID or PIN. So all you need to do is tap on either one of these following options, and after that you'll have some alternative to log in into your account. And if the provided information is correct, you'll successfully log in into your POSB bank account. So that's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.